he was asking, okay, sir, make it photocopies අරන් ආවේ නැද්ද? Okay, article of association BRK ඔක්කොම photocopies අරන් ආවේ. I said nobody told me, right? This is not the first time, but nobody told me to bring photocopies. නෑ sir, මේක print මේ photocopy එකක් අරන් ඉන්න වෙනවා නැත්තම් open කරන්න විදියක් නැහැ. Shan, your bank, you send a customer out again to get the photocopy. I didn't hurt him. I said yes, okay. I'll take the photocopy, right, and come up. කියලා මම bank එකෙන් එළියට බෑලි වල, right? I talk to the head office, the known contact, and say, "Do look here, මේ වගේ දෙයක් වුණා, but I'm not opening the account from that branch. I will close my other accounts also that are there from that branch, and I will be taking to the other branch." And I did it, right? Customer ගේ මේ photocopy එක බැංකුවක් ඇතුලේ photocopy machine එකක් නැද්ද ෂාන්? Anyone is in the banking sector, tell me, okay, whether you all have a photocopy machine inside the bank? Who doesn't have a photocopy machine inside the bank? Honestly, I'm telling, okay. You all have. Come on. Current account එකක් open කරන්න යනවයි කියලා කියන්නේ long term journey එකට අඩිය තියන්න එන මිනිස්සු එක්ක spoil කරගන්නවා. Customer journey එක නෙමෙයිද අපි මේ manage කරන්නේ? Customer service excellence කියලා කියන්නේ ඔන්න ඔය minor day අපි it can be a minor effort you do, so it might kill your journey. Okay, so this revenue calculation, average sale එක ඒ customer lifetime value එකේ lifetime එක ඇතුළත transactions කීයක් එයා කරනවද, average අපි අරගෙන ඒක customer කොච්චර කල් අපිත් එක්ක ඉන්නවද, ඒක අනුව අපි lifetime value එක customer lifetime value එක calculate කරනවා. So any question on that area? Any question on that area? Any question on that area, guys, ladies and gentlemen? Any questions on that area? If you have any questions, please go ahead. We were talking about the customer and the consumer difference. We were talking about customer is the person who is engaging into the transaction, and the consumer is the person who is consuming the product finally. I was taking, I think, academic example as an example and explained this scenario last week. So not last week, I mean during one of the session. So any questions here?
Would you mind please enlarge the screen so we cannot see it quite clearly? No, your frame size is not. That's right. Yes, thank you.
That's okay. Right. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay, now when you're managing ඕගොල්ලෝ strategies design කරනකොට customer service excellence අපි strategies කතා කරනකොට කොහොමද, how can we improve the customer service කියන එක කතා කරනකොට think about these points. If you, I mean, you are talking about the company, no, because you are giving kind of a recommendation how to improve the customer service, no? So what are the areas you should address? Now you should make sure you let customer feel that he or she is welcome to your company. Customer ගේ එන call එක hassle එකක් නම් hassle එකක් විදිහට දැන් සමහර වෙලාවට අපි දැකලා තියෙනවා නෙමෙයි අපිට ඇහිලා තියෙනවා over the phone කතා කරනකොට අපි company එකකට කතා කරනවා නම් phone එක answer කරන විදිය hello ඔන්න. So you have to give this incoming call, okay, forget about walking client to you, right? You should let call or incoming email, right, your reply feel welcome to the customer. Otherwise, what will happen if the customer feel that you're not bothered, he will not be happy. So you should make sure the customer feel welcome, and you have to show that you have understood the customer. And ඔතන danger එකක් කරනවා. Customer හොඳට තේරුම් ගත්තයි කියලා ඉවර වෙලා හිතලා වැඩ කරන්න යනවා as a salesperson, and that is not what the customer was expecting. So you need to question the customer, you need to talk the customer, you need to let customer to talk more and more to understand the customer, and you need to make the customer feel that you understood the customer. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not be able to get the better what do you mean? Relationship with the customer to deliver the better service with the customer. Okay, and the comfortable customer ki journey එක comfortable කරන්න. Never make that journey hassle. අපි දැකලා තියෙනවානේ සමහර ලාවට customer වැඩක් කරගන්න ගියාම customer හරියට නිකන් බඩු ගන්නවා වගේ සමහර තැන් වලින් වෙලා තියෙනවානේ. Okay, you should make sure, right? You should make sure you make you make your customer feel comfortable inside and outside the entire process of his journey with your company. එහෙම නැති වුණොත්, if the need is burning and if you are the only supplier, he or she will stay with you. Otherwise, he or she will leave your organization. Okay. හැම තිස්සෙම customer ඕගොල්ලන්ට මොනවා හරි දෙයක් කිව්වොත්, එහෙම නැත්නම් customer purchase කරොත් දෙයක්, එහෙම නැත්නම් customer මොනවා හරි support එකක් ඕගොල්ලන්ට කරොත්, appreciate them. අපි respect customer මෙතනට ආවයි කියන එක අපි value කරනවායි කියන එක. Thank you very much sir. Right? ඒක appreciate කරන්න. නැත්තම් එතනදී customer එක feel on නැත්තම්, then it will be another concern. Another concern. Give me 1 minute. Someone is trying to take the control. Rahul, I think you're. Give me 1 minute.
Sorry.
No, that is okay. I think you have taken a control. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now you can see. Wait. All right. So, what is this? I think Rahul, you okay, right? You can see the screen, right? Okay. Now see, can see, right? And feel important, be respected. You all have to show that to the customer. නැත්තම් මේ අපි strategies design කරනකොට, you should consider these things. Now let's say as example, customer item එක අරගෙන bill කරලා ඉවරලා customer ට හිටගෙන බලාගෙන ඉන්න වෙනවා නම් item එක වාහනේට දාගන්න තාක්කල්, එහෙනම් customer ට නම් item එක වාහනේට අරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා දාන්න ඕනේ. I'm just telling an example, okay? And it doesn't feel comfortable to customer, right? එතකොට office arrangement you can talk about, depending on the products and the services what you do, and the comfortable arrangement within the organization you can talk about, right? සමහර වෙලාවට you might have seen, okay, the multinational brands, you just imagine, gentlemen and ladies, right? When they are, okay, retail you take as an example, okay, if you go to spa chains, if you go to Glowmark, to a certain extent Kiehl's is managing, but let's say as an example, the way they are managing this atmosphere, Hyde Park Corner, Apico, to a certain extent they are managing. So this comfortable, they bring it, right? They bring it. A comfortability එක නැතුව හරි අමාරුයි කරන්න. And remember, ඕගොල්ලෝ යනවා hospital එකකට. මම එකපාරක් මේ එක hospital එකට ගියාම, okay, this is one of the leading hospital, okay? So බෙහෙත් ගන්න දාවේ. You just imagine the welcome girl if she asks, sir, බෙහෙත් ගන්නද ආවේ කියලා hospital එකට enter වෙනකොට, what should be the answer I should give? Right? I said, නෑ, පාන් වගේක් තියෙනවා, ඒ ටික අරන් යන්න ආවේ කියලා. So I had to tell. So you should not make, even with your words, you should not make the customer uncomfortable. I think බලන්න මිනිස්සු ඒ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ area, so you can use to design your strategies. Okay, any questions? And ඔයගොල්ලන්ට බලන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, now in this chart, using this chart, you can talk about, okay, what is missing in your selected company. Customer feel welcome කරනවාද? anything missing in your selected company, you can talk about මේ company එක මේ දේ හරියට කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ select කරගත්ත company එක අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම this area is missing in this company, so we need to train these people, we need to build these people, we need to do this to overcome this matter, right? So අපි හිතමු use identify the XYZ company, right? And that company doesn't have a proper arrangement to make the customer comfortable when they come in, okay? And customer need to stand outside the organization, outside the building to get their item done. The area is physically not comfortable. You can talk about there what is missing in that company, right? And a minusu over the phone kata කරනකොට customer ගණන් ගන්න නැහැ. There we have seen in certain companies, right? Okay, සමහර customers ලව ගණන් ගන්න නැහැ over the phone කතා කරනකොට. Okay, now telco companies I have seen very crucial in that angle right now. Telco companies, okay, certain online sales companies also here have gone into that level. True, the trouble is there from customer. True, it is very difficult to handle the customer, but that doesn't mean that you neglect the customer. You have to show that he is important. As an example, if you handle about 200 calls a day, it's not easy as a call center agent. It's not easy. By the time you shift your, schedule or your shift, okay, end your shift, you're utter tired. True, but that doesn't mean the next call should get penalized because of that. So everything should manage. Now, if you feel okay, that company what you have selected not there, give your recommendation. මොනවද මේකට කරන්න ඕනේ? පොඩි පේලියකින් recommendation එක දෙන්න. මේක කරා නම් හොඳයි. මෙතන recommendations ගොඩක් ලියන්න ඕනේ. කොහොමද එකකට එක ගානේ ලියුවත් ඇති. මේ ඔක්කොම අරගෙන ලියන්න අවශ්‍යත් නැහැ. So you can talk about one by one a couple of elements and discuss. පැහැදිලිද? Any question? You all can raise any questions. මම දන්නවා questions දාන්නේ. Okay. Customer හැමතිස්සෙම ඉල්ලනවා වැඩිපුර. That's usual. Customer always expect more. Okay. Customer ට වැඩිපුර මොනවා හරි දෙයක් හැමතිස්සෙම ඉල්ලනවානේ. Okay. So we got to identify what do they expect. And we got to clearly define their expectations. And remember, when you're looking at the customer service excellence part, this is a model where we used to design the customer service excellence along with your product or the service. Customer, I will take one example. Okay. Okay. As an example, okay, if it is a patient, okay, heart case, okay, cardiac patient, okay. Now he is expecting a medical service. His actual product he is expecting is a medical service connected with good doctor, good medical ICU facility, good theater facility, and all these facilities should be better in that particular hospital. Open heart surgery එකක් කරන්න යනවා කියලා හිතමුකෝ උදාහරණයක් විදිහට. කස්ටමර් කෙනෙක් heart එක අරින්න දෙයිද? right? හරි හමන් ඩොක්ටර්ස්ලා නැතුව. කස්ටමර් කෙනෙක් එයාගේ මෙතනට ඕපන් කරන්න දෙයිද? right? open heart surgery එකක් කරන්න දෙයිද? දැන් මේ medical ඉන්න කට්ටිය කියන්න එපා දැන් open heart කරන්න නැහැ නිසා stent එකක් දාන කෙනෙක් කරන්න අරකයි මේකයි කියලා. No, I'm just telling, okay, still the open heart surgeries are there, no? Okay. So හරි theater එකක් නැතුව, right? හරි ICU එකක් නැති තැනකට ගිහිල්ලා කස්ටමර් කෙනෙක් එයාට ඔපරේෂන් එක කරන්න එයා පේ කරයිද? No. Those are the service connected with the actual product delivery. Okay. එතකොට ඒ ටික combine වෙන්න ඕනේ. මම මේක service එකක් අරගෙන explain කරන්නේ tangible product එකකට මම explain කරනවා මේක ඕගොල්ලන්ට තේරෙනවා. මම service එකකටත් මේක සම්බන්ධයි කියන හින්දා තමයි I'm explaining this. So this is not only for a tangible product, this is even for an intangible product. Okay, this is connected with both, right? So and this one, okay, augmentation, service excellence matters a lot in the service augmentation part. මෙන්න මේකෙදි augmentation part එකේදී service excellence